So main thing is because we tried Excel before, because we even had people on our team that has had experience with implementing ISO previously. And we started with Excel because I think that's the thing that is most common currently. But first you have to prepare those Excel files, you have to put in everything, track everything, you have to learn the Excel. And we even had some personal changes during that time, and a new person came in and created a new Excel file because there was something missing from their perspective. And then having everything written down in Scrut, you also have really nice cross-references. So even though there's one requirement in the system, it fulfills needs from different certifications. So we can see, okay, this is required by ISO and SOC, but then we just need to provide evidence once instead of having two Excel sheets that we had previously to cross-check ISO requirements with SOC requirements. So it's much easier, first of all, to see what is needed and what is going on in an Excel file. But then also it's already pre-analyzed, so to say. So we see what we need, while with ISO 27, especially the latest revision, they just tell you what you should achieve instead of what you need, right? So they give you like a guidance instead of specific steps. I mean, with Scrut, we already have a specific step to perform. That's really nice.